Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings because we're changing the About text now. Tap your profile at the top where your name and photo appear. Once the profile opens, find the About or Status line, which likely reads, "Hey, I am using WhatsApp." You're preparing to edit, so make sure you have the exact words you want or a short replacement ready. This first step gets you into the right screen to edit immediately. Now you tap the About or Status field to enter edit mode and the keyboard appears. This is where you replace the default text. Delete or select the current phrase and type your new message. Concise works best, under 139 characters, so it displays cleanly. Once you type, double-check spelling and tone because this is visible to contacts. If you want flair, add one emoji or a short symbol. Make sure the message finish by tapping save or the check icon so WhatsApp writes the new About to your profile. You'll see it update immediately. If the change doesn't stick, force close and reopen WhatsApp or verify your internet connection because sync can fail offline. Make sure your privacy settings allow contacts to view About if someone reports they can't see it. If problems persist, update the app from the store or restart your phone. These steps fix most update glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.